What's up, y'all? So I'm here at this like local pond here. By the way, welcome to Deeply Rooted Slingshots and Adventures. Today is an adventure. We're like close into town, probably like 8 miles out. I rode my new e-bike and yeah, come out to this little spot to do some fishing here today. Kind of see there are cars close by. You can hear them, but so yeah, we're gonna do some fishing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get kind of set up here, get down to the bank a little bit more, and then get rigged up. Probably just gonna do a bobber and worm first for a little bit and just kind of hang out. All right, now I'm down here. Man, it's beautiful out here today. Calm. It's only like, I don't know, I think it was like maybe 80 degrees out right now, so super beautiful. Water's got a little bit of wake on it, but we're gonna go ahead and get my stuff out here. I got my pole already set up with a bobber, so can't forget the Red Bull. Heck yeah. Probably be out here until dark. I brought my headlamp and stuff like that, so got a raincoat just in case. Better to have it than need it and not have it. Good old sandwich for later on. Worms. Got some hooks. Another little coat just in case. Also got some water in there too, you just never know. Always got to keep your worms in the shade too, and your sandwich. I fished out here a couple of times. I've had some decent luck, but nothing too exciting. Oh. I think my first fish out here was like a little dinky bass like that. These are some pretty lively worms. I don't really know exactly how deep this pond is, but good thing I wore a long sleeve today. That sun's a burning. And I'm a ginger, so I just fry. Alright, let's get her out in the water here, boys and girls. See if I'm too deep or not deep enough. Oh man, that was a terrible cast. Might have to come down here a little bit. I do have a little rod holder up here too. Alright, I think I'm gonna bring it in. It's been sitting out there for a minute and I ain't got nothing. Now, get out there a little ways. Now let's see what that does. Nope. Ah, gotcha. It is though, it's beautiful out right now. Couldn't ask for it to be better. Got a pretty little setting right here. Setting. If I were to call with the bobber and put like a spinner or a lure on or something, I don't really see much movement out here. Nothing really jumping or anything, so just not really active right now, unfortunately. So I got the tackle box. We're gonna open her up and probably try, I don't know. I got this new spinner the other day, and pink's my favorite color, so I kind of want to try this one out. Stuck. All like nice rainbow, pretty sweet. So I think I'm gonna try that one real quick, see if that does any difference. One on there. Whoa! Gotcha. Remember when we were kids, my dad did that one time. We got a picture of him yanking and his pole bent like this. Then we got another picture of him holding this big old like wood carved out fish. Oh, funny little things when you're a kid, you know? Yeah, there's just no activity around here. All right, y'all. So I got a little target here. I'm gonna go ahead and set up, and probably something just like that. Yeah. So now we'll go ahead and take a few shots at her here. Got a little windy, so gonna take a little break. Oh man, I don't even know if you guys can see that, but it's like right there. And then today I'm shooting this. I can't remember if I named this guy or not. I'm not too sure, but it's this cedar fork that I made. But we're gonna go ahead and pop off a few rounds here. Ooh, a little high and to the right. Kind of a fun one to shoot. A little weird though, because I gotta aim like probably a foot below my target with this guy, so. But we'll plink a couple out there at that orange target and see what we got. Just to the right of her. Just shooting 3/8 out of this guy, 9.5. Oh, just right over top of her. I think I got like 6 or so more shots here. Smoked her. All right, I gotta go get her because she fell off, so. All right, y'all, just got back from that little pond there from fishing. Gonna do a little bit of slinging. here in the day. Got copperhead here I'm shooting, but we'll end this beautiful day with a little bit of shooting, sending them downrange, you know. There we go. Nice hit on that spanky monkey target. Those things are awesome. Ooh, just a little low. Well, I didn't catch any fish. No nibbles or nothing. That one's kind of hit or miss though, that lake, or that little pond. There we go, that was a solid hit. Go for that green spinner now. Ooh, just underneath it. Dang, just underneath it too. I probably tickled that thing. I barely tickled her. There we go. Got a hit. Do one last one here on the spanky monkey, and then I'll let y'all go. Got her. All right, y'all. Well, that's the end of this one here. I'm gonna wrap it up, but yeah, thanks for joining, and there'll be another one coming out here, but appreciate y'all watching Deeply Rooted Slings and Adventures. Y'all have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one.